Hello, everyone. Are your driving skills really up to the challenge of dealing with mind-blowing, insane scenarios like these? If you're really as good as you might think you are, let's see if you can escape from crazily risky moments like this. It's time to find out. Let's go. Ah, yes. The ever-lovable morning traffic and a driver who thinks steering wheels are lassos, throwing them as far away as they can. Kudos on being the sole cause of chain accidents. We think there should be a special petition for cool cars to go into the right hands. Definitely not the hands of this guy, at least. There's confidence, then arrogance, and then downright single-digit IQ activities. We'll leave it to you to figure out which category this driver belongs in. See, kids? This is why it's important to check your rear-view mirror every now and then, because when you don't, you get fun surprises, like a cop catching you acting like an idiot in the middle of a busy road. You'd think, after watching films like Mad Max and Blade Runner, or even the good old Fast and Furious series, that having a cool ride means having the smarts to move it around too. Boy, does real life have news to tell you. Should we call this friendly fire, or what? Somehow, the streetlights, bright enough to even illuminate our futures, weren't enough to help this driver see where he was going. Justice for the other truck. The world has two divisions, Texas and the rest of the earth, because where else will you see this level of insanity? Or, should we say, audacity? You've seen people losing control of their rides on the way down, but have you seen it happen on the way up? Seriously, bro folded under zero pressure. Maybe anger management courses are expensive, but getting a totaled sedan fixed or buying a new one, hopefully with padded exteriors, is probably a few pennies more expensive. Can someone tell this guy that? Taylor Swift was right about karma. You gotta give it to her. It can be pretty neat, especially when it's delivered to bullies in big, expensive cars when they're given a taste of their own medicine. And in this case, things got way more serious. A practically cocky truck driver harmed an innocent car to such a horrifying extent. Who advised the driver to act this way, especially on such a tight road? They came, they picked a fight with a belated indicator, and didn't conquer? We just hope that the driver is okay after that horrifying debacle, because generally speaking, getting overly fixated on getting revenge isn't exactly smart on a highway. Maybe the authorities should be stricter about issuing licenses for truck drivers. Because what was this driver thinking would happen? A chill move from Tokyo Drift? No matter what they were thinking, things could have gotten way worse if other cars had been close. The land of maple syrup and the moose also has its crazy road rage moments. Like this case right here. Seems like the driver of that pickup was trying to cosplay a toy vehicle, the way it was thrown around like a misbehaving kid. On the other end of the world in Australia, here we've got a guy running the red light, all cocky, and then instantly getting hunted down by the cops. These days, karma comes instant too, and it tastes way more bitter than cup ramen. We mentioned friendly fire earlier, but this here seems a step beyond even that. Familial fire, maybe? Turns out, chances of a twin vehicle emerging out of nowhere and putting yours out of commission are low, but never zero. This SUV driver saw the guy running in front of him and thought, "Hey, I should take a lap around here too." Unfortunately, he was in a vehicle in the middle of the road and ended up greeting a blameless truck with an unsavory hug. Yikes. Texas strikes again. This time, we have a sedan that got way too into the rainy vibes and overspeed on a seemingly okay road until the oily freeway sent them on a spinny adventure. Maybe he should have held back that need for speed. Sometimes, like a really bad sneeze in the middle of a piano recital, you can see and feel things coming, but not be able to do anything in your power to stop it. F in the chat for both this driver and the truck, guys. And that's it for today's video. What do you think? Is the idiots in cars disease spreading way too much these days? Make sure to let us know in the comments and subscribe for more road awareness content.